These, everyone, are my easy, fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Don't they look wonderful? I'm going to show you how to make these today. These are a family favourite and I know you're all going to enjoy them. Alright, to get started, in here I've got 275 grams of plain flour, all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just a pinch of salt. Mix everything together, and that's perfect. Now for the wet ingredients, in here I've got 480 ml of buttermilk. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 eggs. Mix that together. Now I'm going to get my wet mixture into my dry mixture. Pour it all in. I'm going to use a fork to mix it in. Be gentle. Don't whisk it in. If you've got the odd lump in it, don't worry about it, it's no big deal. Great. Now I'm going to fold in 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Be gentle folding it in too. These pancakes, I did a video on them before and I've had lovely feedback on them from people who've made them. I'm happy with that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let these sit for about 5 minutes while I heat up my pan. Ready to fry these now. Just heat your pan with a little bit of butter and sunflower oil, not too much, and add a couple of tablespoons to the centre. I'm using a 1/3 measuring spoon. That's probably about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And just let your pancake mixture sit there and it'll spread out itself. Cook on a medium temperature as well because you don't want to burn them. It'll take about 3 to 4 minutes on this side to cook and then we can flip it over. You'll know when these are ready to turn when they get a little bit dry along the edge and drier on top, and you'll see all those little bubbles. So we're going to flip this now. This side will just take about a minute to cook. And there you have it. You can get that onto a plate. Add a little bit of oil and butter to your pan and just continue with the rest of your pancake mixture. And this is my last pancake and it's ready. So I'm going to get them onto there. This amount of mixture makes 10 pancakes. So there you have them, everyone. My really easy, fluffy buttermilk pancakes. Absolutely gorgeous. You're going to love this recipe. I do have a few other pancake recipes, including crepes, on my page, and I'll do a link to them in the comments down below if you prefer the thinner pancakes. And I also have a 3-ingredient pancake too, and they're beautiful. Try them out. Let me know what you think when you make them. Happy Pancake Tuesday, everyone. See you all soon. Don't forget to like, comment and share.